Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we're looking at some more Cubans. These are the Romeo y Julieta Churchills, a size that I love. Here's a view of the box. And I recently did a video on how to authenticate Cuban cigars. And these sleeves can be a little bit tricky because these don't have serial numbers on them and they don't have box dates on them. Usually all of that is on the outer sleeve. Usually these come in a box of 15 or so cigars, and those have box dates and serial numbers, but these individual packs don't. So a couple things you can look at on these is these are still going to have the UV crest on these, and then you've really got to focus on the actual sticks themselves. So let's take a look inside. So here we got our tubo, and these cigars will age slower in tubos. So if you want these to last a long time, leave them in the tubos. I'm gonna pop these out, and so I can try them a little sooner. But here's a look at the stick itself. Like I said, I love this format. These are gonna be a 47 by 7, and smoking something this big really gives me an excuse to sit down and kind of ignore life for a little while. So let's get our humidities on these. These just showed up. They were in the mail for quite some time. 64, which is perfect. Let's get one at the head real quick. That feels pretty soft. 65, 66. So perfect. I'm going to pull probably one of these out of the tubo and get it sitting in my Tupperware, and hopefully I can try it here in about a year and see what these are like. And then I'll leave the other two tubos in their tubos, and we'll see how they compare with aging. So there's your look at a Romeo y Julieta Churchill. We'll see you guys for the next one. Bye.